today is drawing time. So we're going to draw. Just stay there and we're going to draw.
Hello. We're gonna draw.
Drawing time. I'm starting.
I'm starting to.
I'm just going to use this kasi. Oh my god, kasi naramang kita button. Starting
Talagang
over.
hindi niyo ito magugustuhan. Pangit kasi ito drawing ko.
Oh, not true. I'm going to draw a puppy because she gives me always inspiration. Dapat na music na to.
Diyos.
You didn't hear anything, bro.
Wait lang. Sorry, nakat mga kasikers. Kasi,
Bled. Bled. What? Oh no.
oh, it had black. Wow. Kanina ko pa to. Ay, yung black.
Okay, let's just.
Sorry mga kasikers, pero hindi talaga ako best in drawing.
Yeah, I know, I said. Hindi uli ako makry yun.
Yes.
But it's okay, I'm almost fine. I'm going to draw my boogie boogie. I'm going to draw Hero. This does not look like Hero, but I will put his name. Hero and Nicholas. It's not good, but I think I did my best to do my duty. The inspiration of truth began to truth. Truth. Look at that, guys. I have a tail. I have now got cute little tail.
Malapit na akong matapos. Ito ang kit mga guys. Nawala na ang yung iba kasi na
Missing. Guys, kung sino man nakakita sa iba,
please give it back.
nananawagan po kami.
Mga ka-stickers, nandito po kayo sa drawing ko. May nakalagay dito. Stickers lang.
Score.
Miming, go away.
I'll be honest, di ko kabalo drawing kero. Lagi ko Oh.
Tapos ginawa dyan.
I'm done. Okay na to. Okay na to. Bye.
Mga stickers. Hindi ko lang.
We are done.
So our stickers.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe, huh?